All right, Jamie, where are we going?
To the Luau.
Mommy is getting photos. It's basically her favorite thing in the world. She's planned all trip for this night. Luau, all in the same shirts, photos. Well, Jamie, you ready for this?
I am.
So exciting. Claire, are you excited for the Luau? She's riveted. So what did they get? They got Maui's fish hook?
Maui's fish hook.
Whoa!
That's awesome.
We got these stones.
She said what they were. I can't.
I know.
Us twins. Us twins.
No, be careful. I feel like you're about to break this. Good idea, though. So what do you do here?
Meshing up this mixture of towel using the stone,
Oh.
back and forth just like this, yeah?
Okay, cool.
Kind of like Hawaiian mashed potatoes, yeah?
Oh,
Made from the taro roots.
cool. Claire, look. So you got it. Claire, want to come try some? The food we were just making. This is a sample.
Oh, it looks
All right, Lyndon, give it a go. Tell us what you think.
I want to do.
Not your jam? Okay, no, don't throw up. So what's your review on that?
Smushing it is fun. Eating it, bleh.
How did you like it, Nolan?
Oh, I hated it.
Do you want to make a lay or have one already made?
Make one.
You want to make one? Oh boy. Careful not to poke each other with that, okay? Good job, Claire. Whoa. That looks pretty good to me. You're doing great, Lyndon.
Tutorial. Gonna be my fish.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, do you guys want to go get tattoos? Oh, she likes the waves. Oh, cool. Oh, fun. What do you say, Lyndon? Ooh, he went with a different design. Ooh. Well, thank you very much. The kids' meal looks like it's got jumbo shrimp, mac and cheese, some meat with some barbecue sauce, and then some cooked veggies. So we just got back from the buffet, and so far, so good. The only problem is too much food for too small a plate, hey? So I got a second plate. They're really good about bringing out extra mac and cheese and stuff for the kids. They seem happy.
We just got dessert.
How cute is this?
Aulani and also a cake.
How cute is that?
So, little tip: come out here at around sunset and
6
get
o'clock.
photos. Well, sunset
Depends,
changes
yeah,
depending
sure.
on the time of the year, right? But for us, it was 6 o'clock. Then you can get some beautiful photos included with your photo pass right in front of the sunset.
Which is, how much was the photo pass?
Like $78 for a week.
Such a good
or you
value.
can get like unlimited ones for $99, or there's day ones for just $25 if you're here for like a
It's a good
shorter
value.
trip. It's a really good value. We've gotten so many photos because there's so many characters around. That's okay.
Best vacation ever, hey?
It's been the best.
Well, we just got done with Disney Aulani's Luau, and we have many thoughts, I think.
We do. We haven't talked to each other.
We've intentionally walked back to the room with not saying a word. I don't know if she liked it. I don't know. Well, I know if I liked it. So, Jamie, give me your thoughts. Positive, negative. What's your takeaway from what is a unique Disney experience, not a cheap Disney experience? You almost feel like you need to do it if you're coming to Aulani for a first time or one time.
Yeah. Okay. So I feel like price-wise, it's pretty expensive.
It's expensive.
The food is really good.
I was surprised by the food. I am not a lover of buffets. It's not my, especially when I'm paying a lot of money, because I don't understand portion control when it comes to how much to put on my plate, and it bugs me when I get something I don't like and a lot of it, and then the thing I like, I don't have enough of it. But the food was really good.
Yeah.
This is one of the best buffets I've ever had. And my daughter and our oldest son are both very picky. Those two who are usually picky loved it.
Yeah, they did. They did.
So that was positive. You got this free, the kids all got a Maui's fish hook necklace. We got these, kind of cool. I thought the pre-stuff, so you get to like mash up their potato stuff.
Was it the taro?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And you make your own lei, and then there's like, put on your own tattoos.
Yeah.
All that stuff was really neat, and my kids loved it. Yeah, which brings me to the show.
Yeah.
What did you think of it?
Okay, so I've never been to a luau before.
No,
and
me neither.
I did know it wasn't Disney specific or anything. I knew it was mostly about like the Hawaiian culture and kind of like a history. So I did know that going into it.
Which is interesting because Disney has not been shy about shoving their IP into everything. Every part, even where it doesn't fit. What's interesting about this entire resort, and for good or bad, depending on where you fall, is while they have IP, they have characters, they're very sensitive to the Hawaiian culture and very almost
Honoring it, I would
honoring
say.
it, which is good. But as far as then entertainment value for when you're paying that much money, is that could potentially be to its detriment here. I don't know. Like as an adult, I didn't mind it. I looked over at my kids who are pretty good. We went through Pearl Harbor with them last week and they loved it.
Yeah.
One of my kids fell asleep. The other one was asking for my phone. Like it was
Another one was stargazing.
You know. It did not keep their attention. And they are ones that like museums, even at their young age.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I thought it was the music is sensational. The singing, the live singing is all of the live music is awesome.
The last 10 minutes with the fire dancers coming out and the story
Super
about
cool.
Maui, like it was super immersive, like the story, like, and the kids knew a little bit about Maui from Moana, right?
Yeah.
So I think that kind of got them.
They wait 45 minutes to get to that one, and by then you've certainly lost anyone under 21. I agree. I love the end Maui bit. All of that was super interesting, and I was interested in lots of it, but it could have used a couple more pops throughout.
I saw a lot of parents like chasing around their kids in the very back, so like little guys and stuff, like it just didn't hold their attention at all.
If you are coming here as an adult or with an adult only party, I definitely think it's going to be more up your alley.
Well, and I think like if you go into it like I'm gonna get really good food and some entertainment, like,
and learn a lot about Hawaiian culture.
Once in a lifetime, like totally do it.
And it really is it feels deeply singular to where you are. Yeah, I will always remember that. With that said, I'm glad I did it, but I would recommend it if you're coming without kids. I would recommend it without reservation, and if you're coming with kids, I would give that a reservation of just letting you know, like, look at your money, look at how much you're looking to spend, because your kids might not love it as much as you.
What was it like? Is it like $150 a person or something?
It adds up. Bringing 4 or 5 people, and some of them are stargazing and wanting to look at your phone.
That's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. That said, I'm still glad I did it. I still feel like for coming.
So we could tell you guys,
Well, and it's my first time.
Seating's worth it.
No,
like,
no way.
You get in earlier. You do get to sit a little closer,
but every seat in there is good.
Yeah,
it's not a lot of people there, and we were at the back. Still could see everything great.
Yeah, we were at probably the worst seats in the house, I would say.
And still we were fine.
Yeah.
So I don't think premium seating is necessarily worth it. At least it wasn't for us. It wouldn't have been. When you come, little tip, if you're doing it, they say you can check in at 5:10. You really don't need to be there till 5:30. And I'm not complaining. And even with that said, I had no problem with where we were sitting. We were in the back, and I still didn't have a problem with it. But so I don't actually think you need to be there for the stroke of 5 or 5:10. I think you can go closer to 5:30 and you're just fine.
Yeah, I think so too.
So those are all our thoughts. Like, again, overall, don't drag. I would not drag kids to it. Beautiful date night for mom and dad, but I just don't think it's worth it with people that are kind of on the fence or don't want to go with. Overall, it was still, what a great day. What a fun trip we're having.
Yeah. And the thing is, like, there's so many luau's on this island.
Yeah.
And
that's a good point. Because, what differentiates this from any other luau? I would bet very little.
From what I've heard, it's like very rich in, the Hawaiian history and stuff like that. But
and it is.
So I guess
I still think you can do that and not sacrifice. There's ways to do it.
They need to make it more family friendly. Like, and it's funny because the pre-part is so good for kids.
Pre-part's great. And even the music during the food is great. They're getting people to dance. They're coming. Like, it's once the show. It's the hour show. That's the problem.
A little slow. A little slow. Yeah.
But I think that was our thoughts.
Yeah. I don't know what to tell you guys. Would I do it again? No.
No, not now. But I'm not against doing it once. I'm glad I did it once. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Keep watching the channel because we're going to have more coverage of Disney's Aulani. And maybe you're thinking about booking your next Disney vacation here. Why not reach out to my wife? She is a travel agent who specializes
in Disney vacations.
So yeah, that's right. You can contact me through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie quote.
Best of all, when you book through Jamie, her services are completely free. She just works as effectively a free concierge to help you have the most magical vacation possible.
That's right. And you can also contact me via email, jamie@clickthemouse.ca. And all of that information is in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to take a moment to like and subscribe. Thanks guys, bye.